Thank you for stopping by. Today's video is all about more Amazon purchases. So, starting off with a dual dash cam that I purchased. This picture is very misleading. It is not a big camera. I mean, it's probably maybe 3 inches wide. So if you see the picture here, you'll see that it looks big in the picture, but it is not. It is not a big camera, but it does do really quality recording. It's just the screen is very tiny, so be aware of that when you purchase it. Okay, but other than that, it's a very great camera. So far I have not had any issues with it, and like I said, the video quality is very, very good. So that's the dual dash cam. Now I have not tried this at home, not at home, sorry, at night, so I couldn't really tell you how it looks in nighttime recording, but daytime recording is sharp and clear. So if you're looking for a fairly inexpensive dash cam, this would be a way to go. Next up on my order was this one right here, which is another 100 watt solar panel by Renogy. I already had one on my roof. I'll put a quick picture in here just to show you, and then I've added a second one. So I upgraded my solar panel to 200 watts instead of just 100 watt, just to have some extra charging power, so that my so that the battery gets charged up a lot quicker, hopefully. So I haven't tried it yet. I just installed it on the roof, and I'll let you know. I'll do another video probably later this summer on how well this is charging my battery. Okay, next up is just a very simple temperature thermometer. Okay, a laser thermometer. I never had one, so I needed to get one for my kit and everything. So you never know when you need a laser thermometer, so it doesn't hurt to carry one. Next up is this is a carrying bag for my fire pit. I'll put a picture up here, show you which one I have. And I store it inside the trailer, and I was getting ash and just junk all over on the floor because of it, so I didn't have a good carrying bag for my fire pit. So this is what I'm going to put that in when I travel. So just keep my area nice and clean, and make sure it's the right size bag for your fire pit if you are going to order one. Okay, next up, this is all back to the solar panel setup. I haven't done it yet, but I just wanted to get the adjustable stands so that I could tilt my solar panels a little bit better, because right now they're just flat on the roof, and I'll put a quick picture up for that. And I just wanted to be able to direct it toward the sun, because some of the campsites that we stay in don't always have direct sunlight over the top of your trailer. So this way will be to make it a little better to get better sun on the panels, on both of them. So I'll do another follow-up video on that one later on this year. Next up is, since I try to do a lot of recording, or hopefully I'm doing some recording, I need some batteries to charge. This is a nice little triple USB charger, plugs into any USB port, standard USB, and will charge all of my camera batteries just fine. So if you do a lot of recordings with the canon camera, with this type of battery, they charge up very quickly. Okay, next up is, since I'm trying to really delve into some more video recording for YouTube, I needed to get some of those interesting side shots, and this is a magnetic. You can put a camera on it, or a GoPro, just like you see in the picture here. Okay, this is a magnetic camera mount. Just be aware that if you do buy it, okay, make sure that you secure your camera and or your phone or whatever you're using to record with. I guarantee that this magnet on here is very, very strong. I tested it on my car, and it took a lot of pull to get this thing to disconnect. So I don't think you're going to lose the mount, but definitely would be aware of your GoPro. Make sure it's secured properly, or your phone, whatever you're using. Don't blame me if you lose your phone. I'm pretty much guarantee though that you won't lose the mount, because it's on there pretty good. But it does come with a security cable in case you want to latch it to your car or something. Just second peace of mind. Okay, since I'm planning some more trips, I wanted to get a nice little national park goal, if you will, a stamp book planner, just so I can set a goal for some of the national parks that I would like to visit one of these in the next 10-15 years or so. So I thought I'd get a nice little travel book that would help me do that. Hopefully, if you're organized better than I am, this is a great little book to get. Okay, next up, back to the solar panel connections. Because I had a solar panel already installed on my roof, and I showed a picture earlier. In this case, what I want to do is you either put them in pairs or you do them in series or parallel. And there's a whole bunch of videos on YouTube that can explain that better than I can. But I needed to hook two panels into one cable that I already had existing, that I already had mounted going to my solar panel, so I didn't have to, or to my charge controller, excuse me. So I didn't have to rerun another set of cables. Okay. So these adapters allow you to put two solar panels together in either series, parallel. I forget what the combination is, what they tell you. Definitely check out some videos on YouTube on how to do all that, but that's what this purchase was for. Maybe I'll do another video. I'll do a video later this year on my solar panel hookup as well. Okay, last but not least, just a little fun mini projector that I thought would be fun to have carry with me during the summer. This one will let you hook up to your phone if you have an iPhone or an iPad and you want to put a big screen movie outdoors or something, that kind of thing. You can even plug in a USB thumb drive, and if you had a movie downloaded to it, you would be able to hook up to this with no problem. So still working on this. This is a new purchase, so I'm just trying to see how well it works. So, but it's a very bright and a very small, compact projector. Anyway, I hope that you find some things in my lists of Amazon purchases. As always, I will put a link in the description below. Thanks for checking out my channel. Be sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day.